It's no exaggeration to say that drones have changed the way we view the world. They've taken once difficult and expensive movie-making techniques and made them accessible to anyone. Videos that once required a camera crew, expensive cranes, and hours of filming can now be done in minutes by the best drones with the tap of a single auto takeoff button. The best quadcopter drones now all cost less than $2,000, with many excellent models at $1,000 or less. But there are a lot of things to consider, including flight time, what you want to do with the drone, and more. We have listed the top 5 best drones and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all the products with the best prices mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, guidinggear.com. Number 5. Ryze Tello. Simple, lightweight, and affordable, the Ryze Tello is designed to be a fun drone for first-time flyers. And despite its budget price tag, the Tello offers plenty. The battery serves up a reasonable 13 minutes of flight time, while downward-facing light sensors allow the Tello to hover in place and perform a handful of automated tricks. We found the image quality from the nose-mounted 5-megapixel camera to be less impressive, with limited dynamic range and noticeable impression artifacts when streaming 720p HD videos. Because video is beamed directly to your smartphone, the frame rate is affected by any drop in connection strength. That said, the app is refreshingly simple and makes for a straightforward way to pilot the Tello, with an on-screen twin-stick setup that's rewardingly responsive. The theoretical room is 100 meters, but 30 to 40 meters is more realistic, which, given how even the slightest breeze can blow the 80 grams Tello off course, is not necessarily a bad thing. The Ryze Tello is fundamentally a fun drone to fly on a calm day, zipping along a rapid chop, and reacting nimbly to intuitive inputs. The limited range is somewhat restrictive, but provided you don't mind choppy video, it's nevertheless the best starter drone around. Number 4. DJI Mini 2. DJI defined compact quality camera drones as something which could appeal to and be understood by everyday consumers with the Mavic in 2016. But price and more recently, weight limits kept some consumers away. Drones over 250 grams now require registration and a small fee in most countries. The Mavic Mini solved the weight issue, but the latest Mini 2 has taken the already miraculous design and souped it up so it can now attract more serious users too. The airframe is stunningly light, yet is also the charger, so that's one less thing when traveling light. It feels strong, and the camera is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal that absorbs nearly all twists and turns in flight, and can be tilted smoothly. Control is simple via the excellent new remote. The range is no longer a worry, and the controller's battery can even top your phone up too. Video is better in 4K and 100 megabits per second, or vloggers happy with 1080p might be more interested in the useful digital zoom. The automated quick shots are also very handy. Beginners can look like pro pilots and get dramatic video. Still, photos are excellent for the price, though can be a little noisy in anything less than good light. Having the option to process in RAW and shoot auto exposure bracketed shots plus automated panoramas are features that would please a serious user. While the DJI app is easy to get grips with and has handy sharing tools with useful image processing features, in fact, with a 12-megapixel camera and 4K video, your creations will easily mix with those from high-end smartphone. Number 3. DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S is the culmination of every lesson DJI has learned with their Mavic series to date. This flying 5.4K camera has efficient flight, solid speed, superb stability, reliability, safety features, and the entirely familiar folding design and flight features many of us have to come to know from other DJI drones. Considering that the Air 2S packs a camera and features that compete with drones twice the price, this is a winner for most pilots. This is the first viable drone we've seen that packs a 1-inch 20-megapixel camera for under $1,000, and the new flight range is a class leader at any price. 12 kilometers of HD connectivity is far more than most pilots can fly, but ensures an excellent connection at close range. Battery life is on par with the best consumer drones out there, offering up to 30 minutes of flight time. Considering the available drones on the market today, we are happy to recommend the DJI Air 2S to any hobby pilot whose goal is to put a camera into the sky. Make no mistake, there are better camera drones available for higher prices, and there are more affordable drones for those that do not care about the camera as much. But the value for the price is hard to beat with this little drone. We're packing the Air 2S in our backpack the next time we go hiking. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3. If you're a professional photographer or videographer looking for the highest possible image quality in a portable and lightweight drone, then look no further than the DJI Mavic 3. This drone features a dual camera with a large 4/3 20-megapixel sensor and adjustable aperture in the main camera, offering excellent image quality for stills and videos. With video possible at up to 5.1K in standard and RAW formats, stills in RAW and JPEG format, and other advanced features, it's a drone that's aimed at professionals. The Mavic 3's second camera is much more limited, however, and can only shoot images in JPEG and standard video at 4K 30fps in auto mode. but it does offer a hybrid zoom of up to 24 times. The Mavic 3 features a folding design for easy transportation, and the two models available weigh 895 grams and 899 grams. The standard model provides 8GB of internal storage, while the more expensive and slightly heavier signed model includes an internal 1TB SSD with support for Apple ProRes 422 HD video recording. Both models also feature a microSD card slot to expand onboard storage. This drone is DJI's flagship consumer model and provides up to 46 minutes of flight time with several incredibly useful safety features on offer. The Mavic 3 uses multi-vision sensors to sense obstacles, as well as Advanced Pilot Assistance System 5.0, which uses 6 fish eye sensors and 2 wide-angle sensors to sense obstacles in all directions. When enabled, the drone can be set to fly autonomously around obstacles when detected or to brake. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic Mini series has taken the world by storm thanks to being a member of the regulator-friendly sub 249 grams category. So not only are these drones incredibly small and lightweight, but they can also be flown in more places than larger drones. The DJI Mavic Mini 3 Pro is the latest incarnation of this popular series and addresses several shortcomings of previous models to make it the best DJI Mini to date. With the standard Mavic folding design, the Mini 3 Pro is a pleasure to carry around because it's so small and lightweight, but don't let that fool you into thinking that this palm-sized drone doesn't pack a visual punch. The new 1x1.3-inch 12.1 megapixel sensor, capable of shooting 48 megapixel RAW files and JPEGs, produces fantastic image quality with excellent high ISO noise handling thanks to dual native ISO capturing technology. Combine this with a 24mm equivalent lens and fast f/1.7 aperture, and this drone has some serious low-light credentials. This new model is, as the name suggests, capable of satisfying the needs of professional and enthusiast drone pilots alike. Tri-directional obstacle sensing uses forward, backward, and downward sensors. This, alongside Advanced Pilot Assistance Systems 4.0, provides obstacle avoidance and automated flight patterns for capturing professional-looking videos with ease. Plus, videos can be captured in 4K up to 60 fps, 2.7K up to 60 fps, and FHD up to 120 fps with normal and D-Sign-like color profiles available. There are also digital zoom providing 2x at 4K, 3x at 2.7K, and 4x at FHD. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.